Hello friends. It's great to see you again. Today, I want to introduce my new friend to my friends. Let's go.
On Monday morning.
Mally, hi, good morning. Are you going to school?
Hi, good morning Peace. I just want to wait you at Sonia's Baker and now I meet you here.
Yeah, I looked you over there. Are we going to the bus station?
Change of plan. We are going to use subway today. We will go to the subway station and meet my friend, Dave there. We go to the subway station. I think Dave is waiting us there.
On the subway station.
Hi Mally.
Hello Dave. Let me introduce you to our new friend, Peace.
Hi, my name is Peace. How do you do?
Hi Peace, my friends call me Dave. How do you do?
She goes to the same school as us, so we can go to school together.
Wow, that's great. Let's go, the subway will depart in 5 minutes.
Mally, Peace and Dave go to school by subway. In the middle of their way, Mally gets a message from her friend.
I just got a message from Sally. She said that she will meet us at school because her dad drove her this morning.
You will meet other friends at school, Peace.
That's amazing. I feel so grateful because I am able to have new friends here. I was worried when the first time my family arrived here.
It's okay Peace. You don't need to worry. You are going to meet many friends at school. We also can go hang out together on weekend.
After 15 minutes on the subway, they arrive at subway station near their school. They walk to the subway exit together.
Okay friends, that's Mally activity today. Stay tuned on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you on the next episode. Goodbye.